Hi, my name is Lisa Wilson, and this is my introductory video. A little about me. I'm a single mom, and I have two daughters, Cadence, who's 15, and Reagan, who's 14. Cadence in the pictures is the one with the shorter hair. Reagan's got the longer hair. Cadence is my science and math kid. She really enjoys anything that has to do with those types of subjects. She's into anime. She plays multiple instruments. She plays the clarinet, the bass clarinet, the contrabass clarinet in her school band. She's involved in forensics, Scholars Bowl. So her goal eventually is to go into something probably science and math oriented in some ways. And Reagan, she plays volleyball. We're on our second season of club volleyball with the Y. She loves to do hair and makeup, and her future goals is to eventually be a cosmetologist. This is my boyfriend Dylan of 3.5 years. He's been super supportive and amazing with my decision to transition into teaching. He's just been a great supporter, and I just am so glad that I have him in my life. Professionally, like you said, I kind of feel like I've had 3 different lives and 3 different areas that I've kind of focused on. I started my professional life working in college food service. I have a technical degree in culinary arts, and so I've always had a large love of cooking, and so I was able to do that for several years and really enjoyed it. I've worked lots of different office jobs, doing different things. My associates and bachelor's degree are both in business. And so I've worked, like I said, lots of different office jobs, but I spent the majority of my time in office work doing medical office. And then now I'm in my 3rd career, my 3rd life. I am a teacher with Argonia Public Schools, teaching business and computers for the junior high and high school. My short-term goals is honestly right now is just to make it through this school year. It's been a big transition coming in. I have lots of preps for my classes and not having some of the tools that I need to do that. My long-term goal is just to complete the transition to teaching program with my master's degree and then eventually feel like I know what I'm doing as a teacher. What I want to learn in this class is I just want to learn more about curriculum, how to create it, and how it's going to make my life easier having that in place. I don't want to feel like I'm always scurrying around trying to figure out what to teach my students and what I need to be teaching them. So I feel like having a set curriculum would help with that, and hopefully this class I will learn more about the writing and how to implement that and put that in place in my classroom. Thanks for watching.